ngizobambelela kusona ngizokubambelela kusona isiphambano ngizengizuzumqele wami bambelela kusona mina ngizokubambelela kusona isiphambano ngizengizuzumqele.
Hi, I'm Pastor Mpolonjeni from ICBC.
Hello, I'm John Kambule from Mpolonjeni ICBC.
I am Patrick Simelane. I'm a pastor in training under Pastor John in Mpolonjeni.
Thank you so much for your prayers and your support.
Good day, friends. We are here at Mpolonjeni ICBC. We have not been here in a while and we are very excited to share Pastor John and his friends with you today. Pastor John is having services from Wednesday to Sunday over this season and the turnout has been amazing. We just want to thank you for all your prayers and support, and we pray that God is going to move in this ICBC over this time and carry on the good work that has been happening here. Thank you very much.